What is going on, traders, investors? We are back in another one. Talking about Hyliion again today. I'm going to keep saying Shll because it's about to be Hyln. I'm sure everyone's heard the merge has been approved. Well, kinda. So let's just hear it from the horse's mouth.
This morning, Tortoise Acquisition Corp held their vote for the merger with Hyliion, and I'm extremely excited to say that we received a positive vote in favor of the business combination. Now, this puts us on track to being able to close the transaction on Thursday and begin trading on Friday. Now, ancillary vote number 3 around director reclassification has not yet hit a majority approval. So, Tortoise is going to leave voting open on just this one proposal until Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So my ask of all of you is, if you haven't yet voted and you're a Shell shareholder, please go cast your vote. I'm extremely thrilled and looking forward to being able to start trading as Hyliion later this week.
Man, I have waited a long time to hear that. I could not be more excited. I couldn't really find all the specifics when I was working today. I was hoping that it wasn't hung up on that NYSE proposal. I guess that's not what it was hung up on. He said it was a director's reorganization or reclassification proposal, which seems kind of irrelevant, and I see no problem in this passing now at this point. So you heard the man. Go and vote if you haven't already. I did a video actually yesterday. If you have TD Ameritrade, you could literally go and vote in like 1 minute. It's super easy. Or you can go here to Hyliion's Twitter, and they have this form right here that you can get the proxy information, but just keep in mind you're going to need to have the contact number, the control number rather, in order to get in here. So that's you get that through your broker. So as always, got a couple things to touch on, kind of what we saw today, what to expect moving forward, and what I plan on doing. Did kind of what we talked about. We said it might do exactly what NKLA did. Regardless of the merger getting approved, we could see it pull back, and it did that. Not for very long. It ended up correcting throughout the day, back in the purple channel where we once were. So that said, what's next? What can we expect? So here's what I expect, and here's why. When the merger happened with NKLA, June 4th, it was a Thursday. So ticker changes on Thursday, trades Friday, long weekend, and then it shot up to almost $100 on Monday. So we sit on a very similar timeline now. We have the shareholder meeting on Wednesday at 1 o'clock. You can vote up until that point. Then all goes planned, paperwork this day, final filings, and then Friday we have a ticker change. So we're about a day behind them, but I guess my point is Friday is likely not going to be the day it goes crazy and moves. We're going to have a weekend for hype to build. Monday, Tuesday, the 5th, the 6th of next month, I think, is actually when we're going to see the big move for Hyliion. There's a potential that this thing could shoot up as soon as the ticker changes, but it also takes time for news, and stuff to trickle down the wires and people to get them and new investors to start hearing about this thing and then pouring in. So I'm going to be very patient with this. I'm not going to get scared on Friday if I see red, because I know that that's what they saw. So Thursday, when the ticker changes, they actually run down about like $5, nothing crazy. Friday, they have a green day, making up a little bit of that ground. Weekend of hype build, and then the Monday rocket ship. Don't think it's a reach to think we'll see the same thing. I also wouldn't be surprised if it goes crazy on Friday and gaps up Monday before you can even touch it. So I wouldn't be waiting to get back into this thing. I would try to get back in as soon as possible. But yeah, now that we got some good catalysts, man, coming up in the future, I don't really expect this thing to pull back much more. The next red day I see for this is Wednesday, right after the shareholder meeting. I could see a red day, or some red at least, the day of the ticker change. And then, circling back to what we just talked about with NKLA, I think Monday, Tuesday, the 5th, the 6th of October is when our rocket ship takes off. And I got tickets, boy. Hope you found this a little bit informative. If you did, like the thing, do the stuff. Note down in the comments what you're thinking, what you holding, what is your plan. I'm Daniel, I'm your market engineer, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.